Burgard Rippy over here, the third week of August. You know what that means? The Tri-State Gas Engine and Tractor Association show, Jay County Fairgrounds, Portland, Indiana. This is the line. There's permits for your golf carts and gators. Take different permits. They're lined up clear around the corner, and then everyone trailers these in. And I think the idea too is that when they buy this stuff, they can haul it home on their trailer with their golf cart, and it's very popular to use golf carts here, and thousands of them. The featured makes this year are Minimo, Minneapolis Moline, and Wisconsin engines of some kind. I'm not too sure how much that'll get into that, but featuring. So here we are, 2022. It's been a rough few years. 19, they had 8 inches of rain here, and it ruined the show. 2020, the government ruined the show, and 2021 didn't come back as much as we thought it would. And this area is kind of bare. Thursday afternoon, the 25th of August. Here's the entrance. I'm not parked too far away. Big limousine gator type, called a Landmaster. But this is a Massey 10. It's I was just thinking about mine. We had one, bought it brand new in a crate and put it together ourselves in 65. I think my dad bought it. So I was just born. I remember that variable speed. It was a fast tractor. And then 20 years later, we sold it for what we paid for it new. That's how it's a lifetime machine and industrial quality, heavy steel gauge stuff. But yeah, a belt drive tractor. That's why it's $750 now in 65. This is the tent that always has the nice Masseys. Or wheel horse, I'm sorry, which is what we traded it in to get a wheel horse, who were brought out by Toro and then dissolved. So the Alice Chalmers there, do you think that's like a rebadge one? And then the Simplicity, or them out of Bradley, Illinois, and then an Army Jeep. There's a Garden Tractor magazine, Carlisle rubber on the front. These are the original kind of tires, these Goodyears with the diamonds on them. That's what they came with back in the day. Possibly original rear tires on that. But these pedal tractors, 3 trailers full of them. They started out with 1 and now they're up to 3 trailers. Triple stacked. The annoying announcer guy. So the Simplicity has a little stack on it. It's pretty cute. Some LEDs. So you can use your Gator, your Ranger, or your golf cart, and people ride their little tractors around. The guy beside me, I drove the Prius, but he rolled his little tractor out of his van, and he had the ramps. He just rolled it right out the back door of the van and jumped on it and rode up here. But you can see that there's probably at least a 20-minute wait to get the permit. This is unusual. With the snow blade, and the deck is still attached. Just a very odd looking machine. No steering wheel. You steer it with your feet. I usually don't do this, but I didn't think that was a steering. I don't know. Making sure I'm filming here. It's a cast aluminum deck. Yeah, I don't know how you steer that animal. Rear engine. But yeah, not beautiful row as you'll ever see of these wheel horses. And I don't see that there's a guy, he has them with the 2 engines in the extended front, and he had some health issues, some serious ones, and I don't know if it's the same tent, in the same spot. But yeah, they stretch them out like a limo. This one's unusual and different. I don't know what is going on with this one. It's a 64 Gardinal. Okay. It's just one of those small makes that are obscure from 1955. It has a name though. $1955 Gardinal Pup with a chain driver in. Gardinal Pup, 1965. Huh. M37 Dodge Power Wagon, 1951. With the original Continental engine. The Jeep set up to farm. It's a large disc on it with a PTO. The 3-point hitch. Couple of nice example of old Fords over here. People from Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan, sort of the tri-state thing. Farm & Fleet one. Some Cockshuts. Massey. Made in a welding shop somewhere. A pedal, miniature pedal, almost a zero turn looking. Rubber tracked. They have the Steigers and stuff in here. These little vintage ones. Tractals. Tractall. Tractals. And then we were at the scooter show, or what? An international show. And there were some old international ones that were pretty cute. That were pretty bare bones. There's that old Workmaster, but it's called a Boomer 8N. Nice line of blue Fords and a gray Massey Harris, a pink Barbie one. It looks factory. These were kind of popular, the 502. Sweet. Little tricycle ones. Pedal. Case. Farmall, huh? The Commanders 6500. The Versatile, that's what he gets into the Steiger. That's the 4-wheel drive one out of the Fargo plant. You think no? I wonder where their plant was at, Versatile. The Pleasure King. Beautiful cases. The Agra-King cases, the parade ones, the demonstrators for the bicentennial, Farmall Internationals that are pretty ornate. The 5 millionth edition of the 1066. More beautiful cases up top. Where's all the smoke coming from? Somebody's cooking something over here. The Dozer one, the cat out on the end. The International T340 crawler tractor. Pedal of some sort. Maybe the pedals are inside. A row of cock shuts. Some Alice Chalmers. Some pretty old ones here. And a newer one. And a pedal car just for some reason. Just because he could. And here's the Big Bud 747. Pretty tractors here, pedal. This is a whole pedal show by itself, trailer mounted. The old WCs or whatever they call them. Famous. A Wizard, that was Western Auto, yeah. The Wizard Car Parts. Blyersville, Iowa, and once in a while you'll see someone from Iowa here. They'll make the trip. The Patio series from John Deere pedal tractors. Got one of each color, and there's 2, 4. Was that all there was? I think there was. The Patio series from John Deere, the four-wheel drive 7020 from John Deere, the John Deere Combine pedal, some Kubota down the center, some Japanese ones, pre-band. And then they all just started copying off each other after that. Check it out. And the green ones. Just a whole line, and the Olivers at the end here. We haven't seen the Olivers yet. Some of the best tractors ever built. Right there. And the Orchard model Ollie. And then there's one Minima. There we go. Some pretty girls. More Ollies, some white, some road bosses or farm boss. I'm sorry. Check out this Minima. There you go. So thanks for watching, everyone. Burkhard Rippey over here, Portland, Indiana, at the tractor show. Tri-State Gas.